Red. Stop.
Stop.
Red.
Okay, so today we found this dog right here, and we do not know who it belongs to. I think it was left here to die because no one ever came to save him. So congratulations to me because I found him, so he'll be safe and sound. So don't worry, everyone, this dog's about to be saved. So here we're going to take this dog a little walk, because he hasn't taken a walk in a while, so let's follow him. He's running, right? Let's take a walk along the whole street. Okay, back. He's zooming. This dog is running fast. Okay, go. So here we have dog and us running along. And he's walking along. He's a good dog. Let's walk him still. Let's take him up this place. It might be good exercise for him. To exercise his feet. He might have a blood clot during that time. I don't know how long. Let's take a little break. Okay, guys, take a little break. Okay, we've taken our little break. Now it's time to start walking. Go, let's go, start walking. Good. Come on, dog, you have to get into walking shape. Ooh, this part slipped. Okay, we climb down the mountain. No, we're going back.
Oh.
No, let's go back that way.
Oh,
okay, we're going back.
when are we going to find his
Okay, now we're going to our house. Okay? We're not going to find his house. Now we're heading back to our house. We decided to care for him.
Really? Not your house.
Because we could not find his house. There's a lot of barks from here. I don't think that's yours.
Is this their house?
No, it's not his.
That's it. No.
Let's go.
Run. Run slowly. So, we didn't find his owner.
But we did find the owner, and we were the owners.
Yeah. I forgot.
Come on, move. You want to get home safely? You've been starving.
Hurry up, guys. You're hungry. I don't want you to die.
Well, we don't want him to die either.
I don't know where it's I don't know where his nose.
Come on, dog.
Hey!
Okay, we're here at our house.
This dog is so crazy. No. Snow, you're not going back over there.
We came back to our house and not the place we found.
Ow,
The place we found him is long, far away.
No.
Okay, let's head to our
Wait,
house.
what's his name?
We should name him, actually.
Snowy.
Yes, name him Snowy. Okay, his name's going to be Snowy. Okay, let's go back home. So here's the dog. We brought him back. So here we're back with the dog. See? He's drinking. He's nice and good now.
Snowy.
He's nice and cool. See what I meant when I said he's so thirsty?
Good. Snowy is funny.
No, he's just thirsty. Oh my, this water drinking is lasting for a lifetime.
This is not funny, dude.
This dog's taking forever. This can just regulate how much time he was lost. But he's now done. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Bye.
Hey,
Make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye. See you in the next one of our videos.
it's easy.